So we are talking here about a luxury car. It is a Mercedes Benz GLE 250 from 2017, and it is a wonderful luxury car. Panda, she wants to present us now this wonderful car, how to drive it.
Come, let me show you how to drive this luxurious Mercedes Benz.
Wow, this is really a car.
It's a nice car.
Panda's coming and is driving this wonderful car, and it is a 4-cylinder diesel engine, 204 horsepower, and but very powerful, and at the same time it is very luxurious. It takes only 6 liters per 100 kilometers, and I think it is not possible to get a better car here. Panda's not driving now, but Panda's showing us how luxurious is all the car, all the features of the car. The aircon is cooling down, wonderful. Panda, can you show us how works the aircon?
This left side is where you can on the AC side for it to cool. And
for your own side, right?
Yeah, for my own side, and the other side is for if you want